Hi everyone, I have a serious question for all of you cat lovers out there. As you may or may not know, this is the first cat I've ever had, so I'm a little confused about some of his behavior patterns I've been seeing. From time to time, Bobo gets pretty aggressive, and the first sign I know that he's going to be getting aggressive is this look on his face. His eyes become narrow and his ears go back. Then I know I'm in trouble. Let's continue. Bobo, no. Bobo, no. No. Bobo. Don't do it. Don't. Ah, Bobo! No. No, Bobo, no. Ah, Bobo!